Let's draw an involute of an equilateral triangle of side measuring 2 cm. First, we start by drawing an equilateral triangle of side measuring 2 cm. We take a ruler and draw a line segment that measures 2 cm. Label one of the endpoint of the line segment is A and the other endpoint is B. So we got a line segment AB 2 cm. Next we take a compass, adjust the center of compass to one of the endpoint of the line segment, that is point A. Adjust the radius of compass to measure 2 cm and simply draw a circular arc. So we did draw a circular arc of radius 2 cm. Let us draw another circular arc of radius 2 cm from the point B. So we got two circular arc of radius 2 cm. Label the intersection point of two circular arc as point C and join AC and join BC to get an equilateral triangle ABC. Of course, it is of side measuring 2 cm. Now extend AB by 6 cm. And we did extend AB by 6 cm. Extend CA by 2 cm. Extend CA by 2 cm. Extend BC by 4 cm. So we are extending AC by 2 cm, BC by 4 cm, and AB by 6 cm. And remember, 6 cm is actually perimeter of the triangle. Next, take the compass, just the radius of compass to measure 2 cm or length of AB, and draw a circular arc. Yes, we did draw a circular arc of radius 2 cm. Now locate the center of compass to the point C, just the radius of compass to measure 4 cm. Okay, we got the radius of compass to measure 4 cm, and then draw a circular arc. Touch the line segment which is obtained by extending BC. Extend the radius of compass to measure 6 cm. Locate the center of compass to the point B. Draw a circular arc. Just touches the line segment obtained by extending AB. And we did obtain involute of the triangle ABC. Curve marked with green color is the involute of the triangle ABC.